Did you know a single unlocked door killed 4 divers in less than a second? November 1983. The Byford Dolphin oil rig off the coast of Norway. 4 saturation divers are living and working inside pressurized chambers on the rig. At depth, divers breathe a special gas mix and their bodies absorb that pressure over days. The only way out alive is slow, controlled decompression. Days of it. A diving bell connects to those chambers through a pressurized tunnel. A tender outside makes a mistake with the clamp. He opens it too soon. The pressure inside the system was 9 atmospheres. Outside was 1. The equalization was instant. What happened to those 4 men cannot be fully described. The human body is not built to survive that kind of force, not even close. One diver was found 60 feet away from the chamber. The tender who made the mistake survived. He had to live with what he saw. 4 men went to work that morning. By the time anyone could react, they were already gone.